What do you do when life gives you lemons? As a creative, you can create not just a lemonade, but anything. Hi, my name is Ainur, and this is Creative Stories with Ainur. In this video, I will talk about how to stay creative when you're facing challenges in life and how to create the most beautiful experiences out of that. And it all will be linking to our creative brain, our right hemisphere. What happens when you have a problem? You're using your left brain to solve it. And eventually it might end up in looping, where you are going over and over the same problem, trying to find solution using your logical brain. And since we are humans, we have patterns and previous experiences that tell us a lot about that situation, but this information is not necessarily true. So I'm trying now to resolve my challenges by getting out of looping, by involving my creative right brain. And by doing that, I'm going out of beta wave state into alpha, which is creative, which is related to creativity and also to a more relaxed state, where you can actually then reflect on that situation, but from a higher perspective, let's say so. I would like to film this process to show how your internal state can reflect in the outside world, and also to encourage everyone to always stay creative no matter what, and always believe in your powers. I start by drawing something abstract just to get the energy moving, let it out, get into the creative mood. But most importantly, I decided to get myself into being a creator space and out of being emotionally reactive to the external reality. I would like to explain more how exactly creation happens from the inside, from the mind space to the outside, the external reality. I will explain it through visuals and words in my future videos. But for now, let's enjoy the sight of someone's worries melting away. It's amazing. I now decide to draw more with the pencils on the back side, just for the fun of it, just to enjoy drawing for a little bit more. I'm currently working on the video where I talk about creative activities. We are all very unique in the ways we want to express ourselves creatively. Ask yourself, what would you pick to get yourself into the creative mood? What are your preferred ways of being creative? Which new activities would you like to experience too? So I move on to working with ink, something super enjoyable. You have a general feeling of how the ink will behave on wet surface with some additional splashes of water, but it never stops to surprise, and you are basically working with this very fast process, trying to see what wants to appear, or trying to bring out your idea onto the wet paper. I will show you an overview of this session where I was just experimenting. So a few pages later, I feel myself really good, and I think I'm actually in the flow. So I should keep it up over a longer period of time, maybe do it on a daily basis. But I really enjoyed it, and that's a very good sign to show that you're doing the right thing. Hi, it's been 2 days since me drawing and trying to get into the flow state, and I want to talk about my lemons. It was a very interesting experiment. It actually proves how everything is created from the inside. So I got out of the looping, thinking about the problem, into the creative mind and linked it up. And in fact, the resolution of those situations, the resolution came to me without me being worried or trying to do anything, trying to resolve it myself logically. The resolution came to me, and it was the best outcome that could have been in my situation. Yeah, I'm very grateful that it happened this way, and I'm very convinced that once you get out of this state where you have the situation and you're trying to resolve it logically, and you don't manage, and I'm very convinced that you need to get into the flow, that everything flows to you and through you, and that you centered, happy, and enjoying your life. I was, in fact, after drawing, I was busy with writing text about brain waves, of what happens in our brain when we are involved in creative acts, in creative activities. I was writing the text, and it is a creative process. And today I was filming for this video. You can check it out on my channel. And I kept myself in the creative flow. So I will continue making videos explaining how creativity happens from a thought form and from a mind space. Subscribe if you want to learn more about creativity, and hit the like button if you like this video. Stay creative. Until next time.